Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today we are in the bathroom of the gigantic dollhouse that I am working on. I have this piece here which has a marble look, but it's actually plastic and it's a sticky note holder that I got at the Dollar Tree. Now when you place your sticky notes in here, you can retrieve them by placing your finger in there and removing them. But I will repurpose this, and I am going to use this like this with this opening on top, and I want to use it as a piece to match the double sink idea that I have in this bathroom. This is actually a card holder that matches the sticky note holder, and I'm making this a sink in the bathroom, but I want to use this piece to hold the towels instead of sticky notes, towels. So I also have this little transparent piece here. It's from another plastic box and it fits perfect in here. Now down here I placed a deodorant cap. That's all it is, a men's deodorant cap. And it looks like it's a sitting area. I also had this piece of fabric. I folded it up and I placed it on there so it looks like a towel. So this fits perfectly in there. Okay, so I'm going to place it in there so that you can see what I'm saying. It seems like it was just like made for this. Look at that. I can move it around and it stays put. Perfect. So it looks like a sitting area and there's a towel on top. Now I have this other little piece of wood and it fits perfectly in here like that. So my idea is to take a little cloth and cut it up in strips, fold it up to make it look like towels. So this is what it's going to look like, but I have to cut more of these. You see the towel look right there? So I have to fill this up more all the way to the top. That will be the towel area that will match with the double sink. And this was from the Dollar Tree. Look at that. So I will continue to work with my bathroom here. And I will continue to bring you more updates. And I'll share anything else that I have for this bathroom. I still haven't selected the walls and the flooring yet. I have not decided on that. But I'll be back with more, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.